we will be using Desmos to plot data relating to world population. This will show how Desmos can be used to look at data that is plotted from a table and then represented by a graph. Okay, we're ready to plot the data for population from different countries at year 2018 and projected population at 2050. This is in millions scale. Okay, starting off with Africa, we start off with year 2018, population 1284. Switch to table mode by going to edit list, selecting convert to table. We will put value for 2050, which would be 2586. Moving on to North America, 2018, population 265 million. Edit mode, switch to table. So we can put North America population at 2050, which would be 437 million. Move on to Latin America with a population of 649 in 2018. Edit mode, convert to table, and we put estimated population for Latin America, which would be 783. Move on to population for Asia at 2018, 4,536 million. Go to edit list, convert to table, put estimated population for 2050, which should be 5,253 million. And then Europe would be population at 2018 would be 746 million. Edit list, convert to table, so we can put estimated population for Europe in 2050 at 730 million. And lastly, Oceania, population at 2018, 41 million. Edit list, convert to table, and put estimated population at 2050, which would be 64 million. Completed. Okay, so after entering the data, we will switch to full screen on Desmos and leaving behind the website where we picked up the data, so we can adjust the table scale. So we're going to zoom out so we can see our plotted data. So what we're going to do is that every country is designated by a different color. So we're going to go to edit list, click on the identifier for for that plot and switch on the line so that we can see the line from beginning at 2018 and ending at 2050. We will do that with other different graphs or plots. So we can have a better visual representation of the data. So we were going to move our graph and zoom in some so we can see our plotted data. Okay, and then we will put our labels for our graph. We're going to click on the graphic settings on the x-axis, which is this one, this bottom part. This one signifies the years, and the y-axis signifies population. So you can see it has labeled population for the y-axis and years for the x-axis. So from here you can click on the plots so that you can see the different values. So you can see some populations start off with higher populations, and you can see this one increases, and you can see this population is lower but has a bigger increase from 2018 to 2050. This other ones, which are lower populated continents, you can see that they start off lower and they have very little change compared to bigger continents. So that's how you can plot table data into Desmos, graph the plots, and view the plotted data in graphical representation.